that's really struck me about Artesia is how many people are making an effort to help, but how much need there still is. While we came through the law school, we were affiliated with AILA, the American Immigrant Lawyers Association, who's coordinated these efforts. And on the ground, we only have one full-time attorney and a paralegal that are here all of the time, and everyone else is a volunteer. So this week, I think in total we had about 19 of us, which was almost record-breaking for the number of volunteers in 1 week. But you still have over 400 clients who have cases pending every day. And so I think there's a real need here for volunteers, for people to volunteer their time and to fly out, because even when there were 19 of us working, the days were long because there was so much to do. We would get to the detention center at 6:45 in the morning, work straight through until 6:30 or 7 p.m. at night, and then show up at the location where everything's being organized by AILA, and we would work on case files, petitions, briefs, trying to get everything together and ready, all of the paperwork required for the litigation that would happen the next day. And I think, you don't necessarily think about how many clients there are and how much need there is until you get here. So volunteering is really important. I think even though we barely made a dent, it seemed like, in the bigger picture, I think every volunteer that comes to help makes a difference, because these women are in so much need of support and are so appreciative for the support that they're getting. Because until there were lawyers on the ground helping, they weren't passing their credible fear interviews, they weren't getting bond. And if someone who's willing to dedicate even just a few days to come down here, makes a huge difference, because these women, it's the only way that these women are going to be represented in their cases. And these women, each and every one of the women that I met this week, has a very strong asylum claim, and they need our help.